Okay, all right. In this subtopic, okay, to print a worksheet, okay, instead you print the whole data, all right, there is an option for you to print a certain section of the worksheet. Okay, example, I give you an example here. Okay, example, we just want to print, okay, column A until column C instead of print everything here. Okay, so we just select column A, B and C. So how we want to do it? Okay, so now, all right, you go to page layout. Okay, all right, and then click this button, or you just can click this print titles. Okay, is to specify the rows and columns to be repeat on each printed pages also. Okay, so example here, when I click this button, okay, you will get the same dialog box here. All right, so the print area, this is a print area that you want to set. Example, as I said earlier, we want to print column A, B and C. So we click this shrink button. Okay, all right, and then we select A until column A until column C. All right, and then we click again this button. Okay, all right, and then you go to print preview. All right, so example here, they just print a selected columns only. All right, that is how you control the section that you want to print inside your worksheet. Okay, and then you can directly print your worksheet. Okay, so if you want to clear it, all right, so you can go back to the page layout. Okay, and then the print area, you can clear the print area, or you just can go back to the page setup. Okay, you choose sheet, all right, and then you delete it from here. All right, okay, so print titles also can be repeat. Okay, depends on your output. Okay, if you have a very long data, heavy data, all right, so example, the next page, okay, they will repeat. Okay, they will print without the header, so you can set the header here. Okay, example, I set again the print area, all right, is from A1 until G15. Okay, all right, and then I repeat, okay, to print the columns. Okay, two columns to repeat at the left. Okay, which column? I want to repeat column A. All right, and then when I go to print preview, all right, so this is okay. Let me set a little bit. Okay, I make it a little bit bigger. So when I click OK, all right, so can you see? All right, so I have two pages. Okay, so when I move to the next page, you will see they will repeat the first column, the column A. All right, so it helps the reader, or it helps you, all right, to have a better output. Okay, all right.